Well, guys, it looks like mass adoption is coming a lot faster than we all think. What's going on, everybody? I'm Mr. Influence, bringing you another crypto video. In this video, we will be talking about the New York Stock Exchange offering Bitcoin. Yes, you heard it right. The name of this article is New York Stock Exchange Plans for Physical Delivery of Bitcoin. Paves way for major crypto adoption, analysts say. This article is on Cointelegraph. Of course, I will have the link in the description to this article in the description. I don't know if I messed that up, but let's get right into it. Analysts Dominic Chu and Robert Kelly weighed in on recent reports that the New York Stock Exchange plans to offer Bitcoin swap contracts on CNBC Tuesday, May 8th. This was yesterday. Both Chu and Kelly argued that the fact that these contracts would be settled with the delivery of Bitcoin itself is an important factor in Bitcoin's mainstream adoption. Now, futures contracts, this is complete opposite thing. This is something that we want because these guys will actually be using Bitcoin. Bitcoin futures, they're not actually buying Bitcoin, and they're not trading actual Bitcoin. It's more of like betting against and betting on, something like that. Now this, if they are buying Bitcoin, then there's less and less supply. Now this is not necessarily the greatest thing, because for us to really hit the mainstream adoption that we want, the people want, you have to own Bitcoin yourself. Because once these guys buy up the whole supply, they will control the market however they want, and they will make it so that they get all your Bitcoins as well. They will do stuff in the market that will make you either sell for cheap or buy for super high and then dump on you. So it's not necessarily the greatest thing or the worst or the worst thing, but it is a key step to mass adoption. But in order to really get the mass adoption that you want, go get yourself some Bitcoin. Make sure you have Bitcoin in some of your holdings. Now, I'm not your financial advisor. This is all my personal opinion. But me personally, if you want an updated cryptocurrency portfolio of mine, go to my website, mrinfluence.co, link in the description, and you will see what my holdings are. And Bitcoin is 25% of my total portfolio. Bitcoin is the #1 cryptocurrency. It is the safest investment in cryptocurrency, in my opinion. But yeah, let's keep going into this article. Both commentators were unanimous in considering that the plans of New York Stock Exchange parent company Intercontinental Exchange News, of which comes from multiple reports citing sources familiar, if true, could be of momentous consequence for the future of crypto. Whereas the futures contracts currently being offered on CME and CBOE are ultimately settled in fiat. Kelly emphasized that ICE's suggestion that crypto swap contracts will be settled in Bitcoin is a significant milestone that could herald major Wall Street crypto adoption, Kelly explained. Just like I said, CME and CBOE, they have Bitcoin futures, which they don't actually purchase any Bitcoin, and like they said it here, they use fiat. They don't actually use Bitcoin. The physical delivery of Bitcoin means that ICE has a custody solution. That has been the big hurdle. How do you hold on to these assets? These are generally bearer instruments, and so you have to have a third-party custody person. That's the big deal. They have come up with a custody solution for institutional holders. Cold storage custodial solutions are currently offered by small operators, and ICE has not confirmed whether it plans to build an in-house cold storage solution or to outsource it. Indeed, ICE has so far declined to comment on the reports at all. I believe cold storage would be a pretty good solution, because if they just get their security up, nobody's going to break into that. That's the safest way to go. Kelly said that if ICE can offer a custodian solution that is SEC qualified and fits with the SEC's compliance requirements, this would open the floodgates to institutional capital, resulting in big price moves in the crypto markets. Now, yes, do you know what the #1 Bitcoin problem is that's still yet to be solved? It is a safe place to store Bitcoin. Now, any exchange could get hacked. You could lose your funds. Now, we have a solution of hardware wallets, but how safe really are they? The #1 problem is still a good place to store cryptocurrency without losing it. So this could be a possible solution. Definitely a solution for big investors to be eager to invest and know that their funds are safe. A custody solution would also open the door for pensions and endowments, he said, leading him to conclude that cryptocurrencies now look to be becoming an emergent asset class, most obviously at the expense of gold. Kelly noted that the markets have been slow to respond, suggesting that many are underestimating the significance of the news. ICE's plans come just days after investment banking giant Goldman Sachs announced they will be opening a crypto trading desk within weeks. Crypto mass adoption is freaking coming. Oh my god. As well as recently hiring a cryptocurrency trader as vice president of their digital asset markets. This week, Bitcoin stopped short of breaking the 10,000 resistance, trading around 9,200 suppressed time. Guys, we're on the way to the moon. We're on the way to the moon. Big institutional money is coming this year. It's coming. The Goldman Sachs is opening a trading desk. New York Stock Exchange wants in. It's coming. There's no reason for there to be any type of FUD in the market from now. All we have is great news. In fact, news that just doesn't. You can't beat this news. Like we wanted institutional money. It's the way to get mass adoption. It's coming. It's on the way. Now, let me know what you guys think of this article. Let me know if you think this is a good thing that institutional money is coming now. And are you ready? Are you truly ready for a huge bull run? Because it seems like that's going with consensus week on the way. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Hit that like button if you like the video. Hit that subscribe button if you like the video. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I post a video. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace out.